Here we have the Calico Critters Family Picnic van. Let's get it open and check it out. We get an instruction manual, stickers. You take the stickers and you apply them onto the license plate positionings. Of course, you always get a really nice little storybook. This one's called A Picnic by the Sea, and the storybooks are always related to the Calico Critter item that you get. You can see that it has a removable roof rack with some really nice wood detailing here. And on the back side, it's like a little play mat. It even has a little hopscotch pad for it. And for some other accessories, we get a little picnic set here with some croissants, cheese, plates, coffee cups, and a little picnic basket that actually opens up. You'll see that the plates fit perfectly into this little picnic basket here, and that the snacks can easily go next to them. So these coffee cups have these little holes back in them, so they're meant to be held by the Calico Critters, but they can only be held by the little Calico Critters. They fit on their hands, but if you try to put it on one of the adults, their hands are just too big for these cups. You see they fit in the teenagers as well. Here you can see the adult hand simply just doesn't fit into the cup holder, which is odd because it's actually like a coffee cup. The only person who should probably be drinking it. And here's the actual car itself. Lots of really cool detailing. Look at that paint job too. Really nice and shiny. Wheels spin pretty easily enough. Connected with a nice axle down here along the bottom. Back side has a hidden axle. Little door handles, but the doors don't open up. As you can see here, the seats are removable from inside the car. So you can take them out and then you can use them like little benches around your camping area. You also see here that these back seats can be folded forward to be made into little baby seats as well. And if you pull up on the tailgate, you can also pull it out. And then the tailgate will turn into a little bench by opening up these two back pieces like this and setting it down. Other than that, we got some really cool headlights, a really nice custom grill here, and the little coffee cups fit perfectly down into these little coffee cup holders down here. And look, even has a little steering wheel that moves around too. And overall, the car looks to be about 10.5 inches long by about 5 inches wide, and with the roof rack on, about 4¼ inch tall. The seats are about 3¼ inch by a little over 2 inches by about 2¼ inches tall. Okay, let's see how well it rolls when it's pushed across the ground. So I'd say it's the perfect little starter toy for anyone who wants to get going with Calico Critters for the same reason that it's a great addition to any Calico Critter set. And that's because it can be used to move around the little Calico Critters. That makes for really fun, interactive play for kids. But also because you can take out these parts and turn it into an outdoor play set, which makes it really versatile. And if you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button down there.